Hi, I'm Aaron Arslan, and I've added over 100 cars to the Turo platform in Denver, Colorado. So naturally, I've gone through the process of looking for cars to purchase over and over and over again. So today I want to show you this one website that you can use to search all of the used cars that you can possibly find on the internet in just one search. So this is Auto Tempest, and this website has been such a game changer for me because it literally searches all of the cars online in just one search. And you can use filters and you can do all this stuff to search different websites all at one time. So I want to search for a car that I've been pretty interested in putting onto the fleet recently, and that's a Toyota Sienna, because here in Denver, Toyota Siennas perform really well and you can buy them at fairly good deals. So we'll see just how good of a deal we can get them for. So let's go and find Toyota and then search Sienna. And then I'm just going to make it 50 miles from where I currently am, and then we'll go ahead and search. What you're gonna see is a ton of different car websites. So here's cars.com. If you scroll down all the way through cars.com, then you're gonna see eBay results. Just to make it easier, they've put this tab up here. So true car results and then other results. So there's also a few sites like Auto Trader, Car Gurus, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist that they list on here. However, they aren't able to pull in the data directly to their website. So they actually give you the ability to click and it'll open up in a separate tab that exact search, but on that website. While not all of them show up all right here, you can still use all of these resources and just click to go to them externally. So it still makes your life very easy. The cool thing is, as you're on here, and for at least the results that it is popping up, I can go ahead and put in my search filters. So I wanna look for a Toyota Sienna in like the $25,000 range. Maybe let's just go 30,000 just to get a few more results with us. So $30,000 as the max price. I'm not even gonna specify a minimum price. Then we're gonna go with a year. I always just specify, the minimum year that I wanna be looking for. So let's go with a 2015. And then mileage wise, cars on Turo have to have less than 130,000 miles, and they have to be 12 years old or newer. So if you weren't aware of that, that's why I want to be within that 12 years. I wouldn't want 2015 because I want it to be even newer than that. Let's just go ahead and see what we can find at 100,000 miles. Fuel type, don't mind. Transmission, don't mind. What I would like to see are only four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive cars. So I'm going to go here, select four-wheel drive, and I'm also going to go here and select all-wheel drive. Then we can sift through whether we want it just to be private party sellers or we want it to be dealers. I'm just gonna put any for now and just see what comes up. So now let's go ahead and search. So this obviously limited our search by quite a lot. So it came up with this 2016 Toyota Sienna, which is in my price range within the mileage that I specified. So it looked on TrueCar and it found this Toyota. So those are two options. And then I can jump through these sites. So Auto Trader, see if they had anything. And what you'll notice here is they've actually gone ahead and made the filters for me, which is awesome. So I'm really liking the look of this because it is marked as a great price. So what I would do, make sure it has a clean title, and if everything looks good, this might be the next car that I add to my fleet. So hopefully that was helpful. That's how I search all of the car websites all at one time in just one search using Auto Tempest. So if you have any questions for me or further questions about how I search for vehicles and add them to my Turo fleet, please leave a message, leave a comment, and I will try to help out as much as possible. So if you liked everything here, the only thing I ask is that you subscribe and support the channel. So thank you so much.